Behind every man or woman's success is always a teacher. Teachers are like lighthouses that guide the ship of students to the shores of life. They are like the doctors treating the disorders of ignorance. They are the magicians who make the miracles of knowledge happen. This world would be a much darker and hostile place to live in if there were no teachers. On behalf of all the students of Krishna Public School Nehru Nagar Bhilai, a very happy Teachers Day to all you teachers. So let's begin. शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक जैसे होते हैं। खुद जहाँ है वहीं पर रहते हैं, मगर दूसरों को उनकी मंजिल तक पहुंचा ही देते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि समृद्धि ने आप सभी के लिए क्या कविता लिखी है।
गुरु महज एक शब्द नहीं, दुनिया है पूरी। हम सब ने जिंदगी में किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सिखाया होगा। इस विषय पर बात शुरू तो आसानी से की जा सकती है, पर खत्म नहीं। हंसते खेलते हर परिस्थिति का समाधान कर देते हैं। खाली पड़ी थी जो कभी, वो ज्ञान की गगरी भर देते हैं। उनकी शरण में मैंने टूटे हुए हौसले को जुड़ते देखा है, लड़खड़ाते हुए को संभलते देखा है, बिगड़े हुए को संवरते देखा है। जाने क्या तरकीब है उनके पास, मैंने गलत से गलत इंसान को बदलते देखा है।
The one who gives direction to every student and teacher. The one who always encourages all of us to give their best. She makes the task of running the school look so smooth as she silently and effortlessly manages the mammoth task. All of us look upon to her and dream of being like her. So now, let's hear it from none other than our beloved principal, Madam Savita Tripathi.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Teachers Day has arrived to commemorate Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, to pay respect to the teachers. The teachers play a pivotal role in our nurturing, in our development. They not only teach academics, but unknowingly they teach us discipline, culture, ethos of society. Development of IQ along with EQ and SQ is the very important role played by the teachers. Dear students, recently we have seen a very beautiful video of the first person of the nation, our President Ramnath Kovind ji. He respected his teachers. He was remembering his teachers in some program at Kanpur, in some college. He went down and he broke the protocol, touched feet of his teachers. This is the importance of teachers, and this is what the teachers earn. Dear teachers, you all must be thinking that during COVID time, we don't know whether our students will be showing respect to us. There were some diversions also by which the teachers were pained. But dear teachers, just see, you students are ready with a program to pay respect because they understand your role in their life. You are the nation builder. You are a part of their families. Dear teachers, the students as well as the management knows very well that during this tough time, everyone was taking care of their family, but you were equally taking care of many families by teaching their students. You are the real Corona warrior. You have helped the nation in developing, in raising the students during this COVID-19 period also. Dear teachers, to my teachers also I bow in the way of saying this, that गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागे पाऊं, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. Happy Teachers Day from my student side also, and to my teachers from my side also, to my dear teachers. Thank you.
To the world, you may be teachers, but for us students, you all are heroes. So now, let's hear a song by Abhijit.
ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता. हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता. हाँ यादा तेरी यादा आती है, जहाँ मेरी जान जाती है. तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, खुद को ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा अब भी रहे दिल को इंतजार, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों रहा अब भी मैं यूं बेकरार. ऐ खुदा मुझको पता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता.
Teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops. So now, let's see what Tanisha has to say about teachers.
A very bright morning to everyone watching. I am Tanisha Sethi, and on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to present to you thoughts and ideas of some great personalities. Teachers are a great inspiration, considering that Ever Garrison, being a teacher himself, said, "Teacher is like a compass that activates magnet of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in the pupils." An American historian, Henry Adams, said, "Teachers affect eternity. They can never tell us where his influence stops." According to Mala Yousafzai, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the whole world. A great columnist, Bob Talbot, wrote, "Teaching the kid to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is the best." And lastly, our very own great scientist, former President late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said, "A great teacher emanates out of knowledge, passion, and compassion." We, the students who love you by all our hearts, would like to add, thank you, teacher, for reaching deep into us to find all we can be before we can see it ourselves. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
सारे देश की ज़मीन को कागज़ बना लो, सारे देश के पेड़ को कलम बना लो, सारे समुंदर के पानी को सियाही बना लो, तो भी गुरु के गुणों को नहीं लिखा जा सकता. Moving further, let's see what Saurabh has in the box for us.
माता पिता की सूरत है मेरे गुरु, इस कलयुग में ईश्वर की मूरत है मेरे गुरु. Hello everyone, this is me Saurabh Singh, and I am going to talk about the past and the evolution of Indian teaching culture. So let's turn some of the pages of history and start. The ancient Indian education system was diverse in language, dialects and culture. In ancient time, we had the Gurukul systems, where the students used to live with their teachers in a distant place. And since then only, you all teachers not only help us in academics, but also in every aspect of life. शायद इसीलिए तो कहते हैं कि जीवन भले माता पिता देते हैं, मगर उस जीवन को जीने की कला तो हमेशा एक शिक्षक ही सिखाता है। मूविंग फर्दर, in 1830, Lord Thomas Macaulay introduced the English language in Indian education system. Now the education system is subject specified, and till this date this system is being followed in our country with further progress in it. Now talking about this year 2020 यानी 2020, जो अब हमारे ही साथ T20 मैच खेलने में लगा हुआ है। There was a time when we all used to actually go to the school. The student used to come in the crowded buses enjoying their way to the school. You all teachers used to come to the school and run straight away to the line to leave your thumbprints without any social distancing. Then you used to go to your most favorite place, obviously the staff room, a hotspot region of all the gossips, and all the secrets are revealed here on a hot cup of tea. Then the teachers used to come in the class. I mean in real. The classrooms used to be a very interesting place. एक कमरा, 5 पंखे, बच्चों की चहल पहल और आप सभी की डांट। नहीं, सिर्फ डांट नहीं, आप सभी की डांट और ढेर सारा प्यार। अब ये सारी तो यादें ही हैं, but I pray that everything gets fine very soon and we all meet each other and make some lovely and wonderful moments together, especially with you teachers. Thank you all the teachers for your support, sacrifice, dedication and immense love. We all miss you and love you. Happy Teachers Day.
The duties of a teacher are neither few nor small, but they elevate the mind and give energy to the character. So now, let's see what Sanvi wants to say. April, the official month which accounts for the beginning of new academic session, had no zing in it this year. Due to the ongoing COVID emergency in the country, we all are compelled to be at home. Due to lockdown, schools and colleges had to suffer a lot. Students started developing insecurities about the future and started worrying about their studies. But then, online classes emerged as a solution and teachers as our saviors. All of you teachers, just for the sake of our future and our studies, learnt the technicalities of online teaching in a very short span of time. In spite of having so many professional and personal problems right now, you teachers made sure that nothing interrupts our path of gaining knowledge. Instead of walking down the corridors, ensuring discipline and checking the students' progress, you teachers now appear as thumbnails, and chalk and board classes now unfold on Google Meet or Zoom. We students know that many of you teachers, because of online classes and extended screen time, have started developing health issues like backache problems and eyesight problems. Online teaching has many problems too, for example network issues. But irrespective of all these facts, you teachers made sure that we students get all the important information. There is no comparison between online teaching and classroom teaching. We all may be far from each other physically, but we are still together mentally. A big thank you to all of you teachers. We love you and we miss you. A very happy Teachers' Day. The job of feet is walking, but their hobby is dancing. So now let's watch a dance performance by Vidha.
इक्को हील दे नाल मैं कटिया एक साल वे मैनू कदे तले जिया कर तू शॉपिंग माल वे मेरे नाल दियां सब पार्लर सजदियां रहंदियां हाय हाईलाइट करा दे मेरे काले वाल वे कित्थों सजा तेरे लिए सारे सूट पुराणिया हाय पुराणिया मैनू लहंगा ले दे महंगा जा मर जानिया इन्ने पैसे ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ मेरे नाल पै जवे बार किते तेनू जाना जे तेरा कोई ना कोई नवा बहाना रहिंदा ए मूवी ले जा कोल मेरे बह जा दो दिल दिया तू भी कह जा मैं भी दिल दे हाल सुनाणिया मैनू लहंगा ले दे महंगा जा मर जाणिया
The child arrives like a mystery box with puzzle pieces inside. Some of the pieces are broken or missing, and others just seem to hide. But the heart of a teacher can sort them out and help the child to see the potential for greatness he has within a picture of what he can. So now, let's hear a heartfelt poem by Medhavi.
A very cheerful morning to everyone watching. This is me, Medhavi Vaishnav, going to represent a little poem in this special occasion of Teachers' Day. So it goes like, every day you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Through the paperwork the night before seemed like grueling race. Money is not your motivation, it's the love for what you do. You hear a special calling to which you always will stay true. Your students are your dedication, devotion is to them. To you, each child is unique and special, a beautiful little gem. Some days are just demanding, frustration takes its course. Then you see those little faces, their inspiration is your force. Every day you're in your classroom, it reminds you why you're there. Making difference in children's lives with whom your heart you share. There's a special pride in teachers and a love for what you do, and appreciation is always shared between those little lives and you. It takes a special person to teach a child in class, to just keep his attention in the world that moves so fast, to show a child that he is unique with talents deep inside, to build his confidence, to beam with pride, to show a little patience for a child who is lost in his ways, to a child who feels abandoned and has seen better days, to inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and grow, to go into this big world which has its highs and lows. You are a special person, you always give your best. And for every student who has your class, that life is truly blessed. And yes, that's true. God understood our thirst for knowledge and our need to be led by someone wiser. He needed a heart of compassion, encouragement and patience. Someone who could just accept all the challenge regardless of the opposition. Someone who could see the potential and believe in best in others. So he made teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for lending your ears. Have a great day.
The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom, well into the future. But will teachers remain the same in future? Well, to make this thing more clear, let's look upon to our next element. You all might be wondering what would be the future of teaching after everything goes back to just as it was. Now, I would like to invite Chetan and Harsh for a detailed discussion about future teaching. Let's call them.
Audio Jungle.
Thank you, Sanvi, for inviting us. Let me add Harsh.
हाँ ठीक है, तू कर ले उसको ऐड, मैं जा रही हूँ. Bye bye.
Hello Chetan.
Hello Harsh. We are here to discuss about the future of teaching, and I've got a question for you. So Harsh, what according to you would the future of teaching be like?
That depends on how far you're talking in the future.
let's say post-corona period around 2021?
Well, it's very hard to predict the future accurately, but I can tell you how it looks like in my perspective.
I hope it looks better than this year.
Before 2021 starts, most of the world's population would have been vaccinated. The traditional ways of teaching will come back, but the online method will also stay. And with the introduction of the new education policy, schools will now focus more on a child's practical development rather than just providing them theoretical knowledge.
Sounds cool.
Yes, it does. And I also have a question for you. How do you think the teaching would look like, let's say, in the next 5 years?
As you said, it's very hard to predict the future accurately. So I can't say how teaching would look like, but I can tell you how I want teaching to be like. I want artificial intelligence to be involved in teaching and overall development of the student.
Can you please elaborate?
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is there will be computer programs available which will be able to scan a child's capabilities and interact with them, making the process of teaching fun and enjoyable. Apart from becoming digital and modern, I want teaching to not forget its core value. Human nature is quite ironic. We spend the first 2 years in teaching a child how to walk and talk, but then for the next 16 years, the society expects him to sit down and shut up. Have you ever observed how many questions does a child ask as compared to an adult? Everyone is born curious, but then crushed by the society. Only a handful among us are able to maintain the same level of curiosity. I want teaching to make students more curious than ignorant.
Those are some great thoughts. And on that note, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Thank you for igniting our imagination and installing in us a love of learning.
आपसे ही सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, आपको ही हमने गुरु है माना। सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कलम का मतलब है आपसे जाना। तो चलिए एक और गाना सुनते हैं अभिजीत की आवाज़ में।
फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर, क्या कीजिए रास न आया रहना दूर, क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा है उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ, वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है। करते हैं हम आज ये कबूल, क्या कीजिए हो गई थी जो हमसे भूल, क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मयस्सर कर भी आओ, वजूद भी सी आस बाकी है, 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 वजूद भी सी आज बाकी है।
Teachers are keys that unlock the student's mind. You are the guides who mold our mind. You are one of your own kind. We love you all, teachers, from the bottom of our hearts for always being with us. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you once again. Thanks for watching.